Weathering the storm, intensive machine gun training for combat superiority. Machine gun training is one of the important types of training provided to members of the military or security forces. In this training, participants will be taught how to operate a machine gun, which is a heavy weapon that has high firepower and is used in various combat situations. The training aims to ensure that users can utilize machine guns effectively and safely in stressful situations. Machine gun training starts with an introduction to the different types of these weapons. Machine guns come in different types, such as light machine guns, LMG, and heavy machine guns, HMG. Each type has different characteristics, such as size, firepower, and how they are used. An in-depth understanding of machine guns is important so that trainees can choose and use weapons appropriately. After understanding the basics of machine guns, trainees will be taught basic techniques in operating the weapon. These techniques include how to hold the rifle correctly, a stable body position when shooting, as well as how to maintain control of the rifle to keep the shot accurate. Users will also be trained to position the rifle so that it can be used in various situations, be it standing, sitting, or lying down. One of the most important aspects of machine gun training is safety. Machine guns are dangerous weapons that can pose great risks if used carelessly. Therefore, machine gun training teaches strict safety procedures, from checking the condition of the weapon before use to ensuring the weapon is not accidentally fired. In addition, the training also covers the techniques of operating a machine gun in combat. Trainees are taught how to use the machine gun to provide suppressive fire against the enemy, or to protect other troops on the move. The ability to deliver effective fire in battlefield situations is essential, as the machine gun is often the primary weapon in medium to long-range combat. Machine gun operations also require good physical endurance. During training, trainees will be taught to operate the rifle under grueling conditions, such as in rapid movement or while in a static position for a long time. This physical endurance is essential so that the machine gun user can remain focused and effective despite the pressure of a heavy battlefield. Machine gun fire techniques in training also include automatic fire and semi-automatic fire. Participants will be trained to control automatic fire for a period of time without losing accuracy, as well as how to switch to semi-automatic fire when needed to fire more precisely. The ability to control fire in automatic mode is very important, as sustained fire can put great pressure on the enemy. The training also teaches participants about the use of additional accessories and equipment that support the use of the machine gun. This could include the use of a tripod to provide additional stability when firing, or the use of a cooling system to prevent the machine gun from overheating. In addition, the training also teaches how to reload the machine gun quickly and efficiently to keep firing smoothly during combat. After mastering the basic techniques, trainees will be given combat simulations or field exercises. In this exercise, they will practice in more realistic situations, such as operating in hilly, sandy, or obstacle-filled terrain. These simulations are essential to familiarize participants with the real conditions they may face in actual combat. Machine gun training also includes specialized tactics, such as placing the machine gun in a strategic position to provide effective fire. Participants will be taught how to choose a good location to place the machine gun, be it behind cover or on high ground that allows for more free fire. An understanding of these tactics is essential to maximize the machine gun's potential in combat. In addition to technical skills, the training also hones participants' mental and psychological abilities. Dealing with battlefield pressure, noise, and uncertainty is an equally important part of the exercise. Trainees will be taught to remain calm and focused even in highly stressful situations. This mental strength will come in handy when they are faced with real threats in the field. The success of machine gun training depends largely on the quality of the instructor teaching the material. The instructor must have experience and in-depth knowledge of machine guns, as well as the ability to transfer this knowledge to the trainees. The instructor must also be able to provide constructive guidance and keep each participant feeling confident in using the machine gun. The importance of practice and trial in machine gun training cannot be overlooked, as through repeated practice, trainees will become increasingly proficient in operating the machine gun appropriately. They will also learn to identify problems that may arise when using the machine gun and how to resolve them quickly and efficiently.
Okay.
Ultimately, machine gun training is not just about mastering the techniques of using the weapon, but also about building a sense of responsibility for the safety of self and teammates. Participants who have completed this training are expected to be able to use machine guns with professionalism and maintain discipline and safety in every situation encountered.